If you're encountering the GPU allocation fail error on Lambda Labs 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check GPU availability. Visit the Lambda Labs dashboard to check if GPUs are currently available. Sometimes, the allocation may fail due to all GPUs being in use. Step 2. Restart your instance. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use this hook to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Update your software. Ensure that your software and drivers are up to date. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues that may cause GPU allocation failures. Step 4. Adjust resource settings. Review your resource settings and adjust them if necessary. Sometimes, allocating more or fewer resources can help in successfully obtaining a GPU. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Lambda Lab support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the GPU allocation failed error efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.